Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Shavo Single arch door. I do know the story why this thing's called a Shavo door. This is a door that my brother and my dad designed for Shavo. He's a bass player of System of a Down, and he allowed my brother to call this door Shavo and sell it as a Shavo door. So this is where we're at. So this thing has a lot of scroll work. It has a lot of bands on it. This is all solid piece of metal that is twisted, hammered to this little tiny end of the scroll. Really cool door. We love this thing. We love the story behind it. And also, little backstory is my brother used to play bass right out of high school, and System of a Down was the inspiration for them to play bass. So it was kind of amazing that that somebody that influenced my brother became a customer. And my dad also used to be a musician. He was a drummer, so it was pretty amazing story. But yeah, I mean, we love this thing. This is an oil rub bronze door with Loy glass. This is a full arch door. This is a 42 by 96, which means it's measured from outside to outside. So the highest peak of the arch to all the way to the bottom of this threshold is 96 inches. This is a right-hand in-swing, which means this door opens inside to the right. It's on an unlevel floor right now. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome door. And this is solid also. This is a solid piece of metal that's laser cut. This is solid also. Super heavy door. That's all I got to say. But I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Shavo door. I'm gonna show you guys how the glass operates. You twist and release the knobs. Glass opens up. This is so you can clean the door and the glass a lot easier. Screens are optional. You can add a screen on these doors on a custom order. This is a Loy glass. Different glass types are available for this door. Another feature is this door has a full length glass, which comes all the way down. Gives you a lot of light to come inside the house, which is amazing. A lot of people like that. Some people like it with the kick plate, which is metal on the bottom. We can also do that in this design in a custom order. This door does come in different colors if you need it. And obviously it comes in different glass types if needed and different swings. Pretty simple, awesome door, awesome story. Hope you guys liked our showcase on our Shavo door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching.